Hey y'all, welcome to my very first video. My name is Miss Beth and I'm so excited to have you here. This channel is all about my love for plants, yard maintenance, and good old southern cooking. I'll be sharing tips on taking care of your outside plants and how to keep your yard looking beautiful all year round. And don't forget about our indoor friends. We'll dive into plant care inside your home too. Plus, I'm going to teach y'all some of my favorite southern recipes. There's nothing better than home-cooked meals, right? Now, I'm still learning the ropes of video editing, so bear with me as I figure it all out. I promise things will get better over time, so make sure to check back from time to time. Please like and subscribe if you want to follow along with me on this journey, and be sure to say hello in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more videos.
Sounds dry.
Hey, how you doing?